Hi, friends! Today we learn the letter C. Are you ready? Let's go! C. C. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. C. C. Car. C is for car. Car. C. C. Chicken. C is for chicken. Chicken. C. C. Cow. C is for cow. Cow. C. C. Cookie. C is for cookie. Cookie. C. C. Crayon. C is for crayon. Crayon. C. C. Cloud. C is for cloud. Cloud. Great job! You learned the letter C. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!